Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue if the Amazon shopping application is not working properly as it is supposed to. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the Amazon shopping application on your device, but the application gives you various errors, such as quitting in the middle of using or crashing issues, then the first thing that you will need to do is make sure that you are updated to the latest version of the application. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Amazon Shopping and start your search. Once you find the Amazon Shopping application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on this update button in order to install the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on this and wait for a while until the update is completed. After it is done, you will see the open button once again, which you can tap on and then see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the Amazon Shopping application and then tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page for Amazon Shopping. Now, first of all, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the app. Then you can scroll down and tap on Storage, and you will now see the Clear Data as well as the Clear Cache button. Tap on Clear Data and then tap on the Delete button, which will clear all of your user data from the Amazon Shopping application. After this step is completed, you will need to log into your account once again on the Amazon Shopping application by opening it up. And now after you log in, the application will work properly and you will not face these issues of the application not working and suddenly exiting on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to solve the issue of the Amazon Shopping application not working properly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.